What's up, guys? Today I'm out in Council Bluffs, Iowa, and I figured I would share this tip with you on how to keep your bladders clean and keep them from growing bacteria. Usually when I'm at home, I will just throw them in the freezer after my ride, and they'll keep it clean. And when I'm on the road, I don't have access to that. So I found this tip on Instagram from Danny Hollenbeck, and his Instagram handle is Hollenbeck to Nowhere. And basically you just purchase some denture cleaner. They come in little tablets, and you drop them in there, let them soak for a couple minutes, and you can rinse them out. If it's gonna be sitting in my truck for a week, I will just leave them in there until my next ride, run some water through there and rinse it out. I think it's safe if there's some residual in there, but there's a bunch of chemicals in there that I don't know what they are, and it's got a weird minty chemical taste, so I like to rinse them out real good afterwards. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you guys keep your bladders from getting all disgusting. See you next time.